We are pleased to show you the 2018 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.